Hello everyone, this is Rockboy395. Due to technical difficulties on the upload, I had to do a re-upload with the probably stars or whatever telling you is re-up. And sorry about that because, yeah, I'm outside and I'm trying to fix my camera. It doesn't like the sunny light. It's so bright for it. As I said, technical difficulties on the two uploads, the multi-boot hard drives. Come on, picking camera. Do I really have to put my hand on over top? Yeah. You're gonna see this twice on the multi-boot hard drive and my batch file on Steam list. So sorry about that, and sorry about this video. I just want to enjoy the outside air. For some reason the camera doesn't like the nice brightish sun. I don't know why. It doesn't like the bright sun. I still have to fix I probably have to fix some controls on here to get it to work. So yeah, this is a quick video for overtopping the other two videos. Really sorry. Hope you enjoyed the videos. See you guys next time. Hello everyone, this is Rockboy3005. I'm back for, well, another demonstration how to do a boot. Well, not a do boot. And not an upgrade. Show you guys how to do multi-hard drives on a computer for multiple OSs. You're gonna try and do multiple OSs on different hard drives. Right now, I already got my Dell Inspiron 518 logged off, or actually not logged off, but shut down. As you can tell, I'm using my integrated webcam from my laptop. So yeah, that's my Dell Inspiron 518. Made for Vista, but upgraded to 7. And this I'm holding, as I said, is my laptop. I'm going to close my door, and there you go. It's my Dell Latitude. I don't have a mirror to go closer enough than that. I just don't want to. Well, I do have another webcam, but I just detached that from my monitor. I'm not really worried about it. Alright. First things first, you turn your computer on, be a desktop or a laptop. When that turns on, you want to press F12. So you want to hit the F12. Now open up your boot options, and you'll see this type of screen. Alright, let me see if I can just set this down. And sorry guys, I'm still trying to get used to holding the laptop. Alright, you got your hard drives. For me, I only have one hard drive, sadly. Also the CD-ROM and bootable add-in cards I'm not really worried about. But if I had, let's say, okay, this one, a flash drive, or even, let me back, my external, I can actually see it on here, that it will show up as a hard drive or a universal plus drive or USB. Sadly, I do not have anything on. Let's go ahead and show you this one. This is what happens when I do partition with a Linux, and this also works when you have multiple hard drives. However, you need to do Grub. But luckily, if you have Windows first on your computer and in Linux, you can actually. Just trying to get myself in there too. Sorry. Oops. Sorry about that. So yeah, if you have Windows first and then install Linux on a partition, you can actually see this Grub already configured for you for your Windows partition and your Ubuntu. Your Windows 7 will be on SDA 2 or SDA 3. Mine, however, is on SDA 3 because of the recovery partition or backup. I have a 15 gig backup partition in there, so I have 450. I think it is 450 gigabytes. I could always check on my computer on here because it's about the same size as 450 gigs on Windows 7 and Ubuntu, and 15 gigs on my recovery. But I partitioned from Windows 7 to have Ubuntu on there, so I shrunk my Windows 7 down. Not as much, but just enough to run Ubuntu itself. I'm not using Ubuntu as my main OS, but it's something that just in case if anything goes wrong with my Windows 7, I have Ubuntu, or in this case, Zone. That's what I'm using actually, Zone OS, to keep me going. So okay, I'm going to port this to VirtualBox. I'll see you on the other side. Okay. And we're back. Alright, we're going to do, as I said, we're going to make a multi-boot. And I did not want to ask for Mac. I want to do a multi-boot machine. Let's go with Windows 7. Just in case I want to add Windows 8, then I can do that. Alright, I want to go for 1024. Nah. Let's go 2048. 2 gigs. I want to use existing, and I want Ubuntu. Next. And create. Alright, I'm going to put this in the very top. Settings. I'm going to have 2 processors as usual. Enable that because I need to. And look at the enable PAE and /NX so I can use Windows 8, no problem. Enable 2D and 3D. And raise it to the very top. Alright, and I do not need anything else. But, however, I need more of these. So I need, choose an existing disk. I'm going to go straight to my Linux side, and as I said, I'm going to add Mint. Well, on my previous video, sorry, because I've tried to do another video and I got one key got glued, so I had to. It was one of my control keys. It was not really fun. Alright, I was thinking about doing. Oops, I don't want machines, I want Windows. I was thinking about doing XP and 98.
in this order: 0, 1, 2, and 3. I was thinking about having Windows 8 right here in the middle, but for the time being, we'll just have it like this before I decide to try that one in. Click OK. Start it up. Hit the up to 12, and you'll see I have these 4. I get the primary slave, secondary master, secondary slave. Just ignore that. That's pretend it's the whole externals, your internal hard drives that you have, or USBs, you name it, all right here. And you pick which one. You want your 1, since you probably know what 1 is. It's Ubuntu. 2 was Mint. 3 was XP, and 4 was 98. But in this case, I want 1. But in your BIOS settings, you can also, or in the boot options, you can also set what you want to be, what hard drive or whatever kind of device should go first. And I think it was the BIOS that does that, but I'm not always 100%. correct on that. So I'm going to plug this in before battery dies, and I'm going to turn the lights up. Yeah, it was a good idea. Really smart idea. It thinks I'm running low on juice, but doesn't know I'm fully powered up. Okay. Guess the guest edition didn't come in 100%, but that's okay. Oh well, let's just try and see if I get this right on here. Alright. Sudo update Grub. And there you go. All you need to do is wait for that. It knows that there's Ubuntu itself, the memory test, Linux Mint, there's XP, and there's 98, even though it shows 95 ME, and it even shows NT 2000. That's all you need to worry, but that's okay. Exit. Go ahead and do a shutdown. Well, actually not a shutdown, let's do it a restart. And the beautiful Grub should pop up. And there we go. Here's the Ubuntu's Grub. It shows everything in here. Let's see if it works. XP? Yes, indeed. And yeah, I used tune-up utilities on that one. If you can hear that, holy crap. Good old CDI. Is someone playing the CDI? Was that CD drive actually fixed now? No, it's just a ringtone. Which I don't think I did change the password on this one yet. Yeah, I thought so. And it should run as normal. See, that's very quick and easy. See, 5 minutes on the internal camera and 6 minutes on here. Well, it'd be 12 anyway. I don't care how long it takes. Well, this actually helps you if you want to know how to do multi-hard drive boot instead of the multi-partition boot. Your computer, so you can have multiple hard drives. Oh, I'm sorry, not hard drives, but multiple operating systems. So now you can have your Linux, you can have your Windows. If yours is a Mac, you would probably have your Mac, Linux, and Windows by using Boot Camp for Windows. At least it really helps you if you wanted to do that. Anything else? I don't know. Well, other than thinking about doing a live video later tomorrow for a vlog, and of course I'm going to do a Let's Play on a game on my Rocket Gamer channel, so keep an eye on that one. That's also probably tomorrow, because I'm doing my final on second period. It's going to be around 9:15 to 10:35, so it's going to be really quick, and it's the last class for finals, so I'm going to probably do it very early. Do a little turn for its finals. And if I do go to my friend's house this weekend, I'll probably do a live stream, which I'll probably do a vlog on that one too, just so you can see. And well, also I'm gonna probably do a quick video on what I did for a batch file in here. I'll probably do a quick video when I'm outside, or because of the time, I'll probably do it inside. That's all you know. That's how I do boot on multi hard drives. Just as so, watch this, just 98, boom. It's very easy. That's why I like about Linux. They actually take one step further. It's just as awesome. Even though my Dell Inspiron 518 is Windows registry or system and INI files. Yeah, I'm not really worried about it. I don't care. It's 98, I don't even care. I can just auto restart Windows 98, it'll come back. Well, not just go like click on the switch. Just do a reinstall. I'm not really worried about it. It's just 98. I have XP, I have Vista, which I'm probably barely ever touch. I'm just using that as a demonstration for Windows multi-boot on that video. Let's just see if I can get Linux Mint working, or just be the same as nope. Thank goodness. Alright, before I get any more questions, let's go do one more thing. Apps. Not you. What if I changed hard drives? As long as you have your main grub, which can be Ubuntu, is my main grub. Always remember that if you're using a certain Linux as your main grub for your multi-boot. If it's Linux Mint, then you need to know it's Linux Mint, it's the main grub. So I'm going to remove 98. I'm going to move this down to 3. And I'm going to choose Windows 8 this time. I'm going to see if this will run. However, since I changed it, it'll still show this list. So it's not 100% correct. So do not try to do it. I believe you can do it on here too, but see, no. It's not. Let's see. Let's see if I can do it here. No, it doesn't. I'm not really worried about it. Also, there is a Grub configuration program on Linux that you can install, so you can actually not just have it where it says on the list. You can always change the name of your Windows, your Linux, or whatnot, which is pretty nice. I think it's called Grub configuration, which I'm not really worried about the name. Usually you just go in, boot to software, and get the Grub configuration right there. For now, I'll show you that later in the next video if you guys want to know how to use Grub configuration. Okay, I'm going to do sudo update grub. Put my password in. Oops, typo. Which is okay, I don't mind typos. Sorry, that's my roommate. Okay, there's Windows 8, boot, and XP. Alright, exit. And let's do restart. Actually, a quick question. Let's see if I can do it this way. Yeah, it doesn't know better. That's fine. Alright. Alright, and there you go. There's updated the Grub. Let's see if I can get Windows 8 to work. Hey, there you go. Windows 8 is up and running. Also, the boot manager won't work since there's no multiple partitions. So it thinks as it is. Is Windows 8 going to boot, or just going to sit there? Alright, right back. And we're back. I'm going to put the timer back up. Sadly about Windows 8 is it doesn't like using the Grub. You can still use it by boot options. If you can read this up here, it says boot, multi-boot machine. It's still there. I guess it knows that there's multiple hard drives, so it's gonna get all the hard drives. All I only have is the mouse. Getting the system ready. There we go. Alright. Good reason why I did do that, because there's Windows XP. It knows all my stuff on Windows XP. And .trash/1 is always from Ubuntu or whatever Linux you use. So let's go ahead and try that one more time. If not, oh well, that's all I can say. Wait till a better update on the Grubs. I meant not the sudo grub update like that. I meant just like when Linux has a big update for Grub that like you saw on here. GNU Grub version 1.99. If it comes out, well, that's a release candidate, that's why. When you get to see it 2, and I did not choose anything, I forgot to move the mouse. So not the mouse, the D-pad. When I try to do this, it thinks it's going to recovery mode, and I'm not doing it. So I have to go to reset, F12, 3, just listen to it. So not 100% is working, but at least a nice idea to show that not all machines, especially Fedora and Ubuntu, they hard to communicate with each other because of different grubs. Not all OSs work 100%. I don't know, I said like 98, but that's because I barely ever used it. It's been there, sitting there, cracking up. I'm not really worried about it, so I can just go like this, remove, and that's it. But I'm not really worried about it. So yeah, that's how you do a multi-boot machine by hard drives. And from the previous video, I use a boot manager and make a dual boot on Windows from that. You can also do it with Linux, just like my Inspiron did. No, like I did on my Inspiron, sorry. Ugh. Man, my grammar. I definitely need a script. Okay, as I said in the middle of the video, what I'm going to do, I hope I keep it like that, as scheduled. I'll see you guys next time.